Hi folks, how's it going? Hello, Elena and Sadeg and Rachel and Will and Gerald and everyone else. I'm sorry if I didn't mention your name. Welcome to Unit 2. I'm making this little video because I want to give you a heads up for what's to come. First, let's finish Unit 1. At this point, I'm busily going through your final draft critical literacy papers, and I'm putting comments on them. And so I should be done with that in the next couple of days. And I'm also playing catch up on the blogs that you guys did for last week as well. So you're going to start to see all of these points come in slowly, but they should all be there by early next week. Now, in Unit 2, we're going to be carrying on with this idea of critical literacy that I introduced in Unit 1. Although we're going to frame it far more specifically. That is, in Unit 1, we really looked at critical literacy writ large. What does it mean in the culture? What sorts of things are we looking for? What values might exist here? What strategies might an author employ? In Unit 2, we're going to specifically look at the academic context, meaning that we're going to examine critical literacy and academic writing. And so for this unit, I've got a few things for us to do initially. This week, I'm going to ask that you do some reading, and I've got two pieces of reading. The first reading is from the novel, and I'm only going to ask you to read about 20 pages this week, and in those 20 pages you're going to see a conversation between Montag and Faber, and that conversation really has to do with what books do. And for us, that's going to very much connect to this definition of critical literacy and academic writing that we're going to work towards. So I'm going to ask you to read that. I've also provided you with another short reading called Hidden Intellectualism. And I'm going to ask you to take a look at this reading as well, because this reading is really the bridge between what we were doing in the first unit and where we'll be heading in the second unit. So take a look at that. And then for this week, I'm going to ask you to respond to two things on the blog, and you're going to be synthesizing some of the information that you've seen in these readings. So that's where we're headed. Also, I will have a discussion board open this week, and if you're looking for extra credit, I'll give you a couple of prompts and you guys can engage in conversation should you wish. As always, if you have any questions, let me know, and I'm looking forward to Unit 2. Take good care.